Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your career situation and relationship, Virgos, we are picking one card each, guys. This is for your career situation, Virgos, and this is for your relationship. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this guidance, guys. So let's start with a card for your career situation first. It's building blocks. So this card just means that you are in a circumstance building that strong foundation in your career, guys. So you are working towards a greater potential, strength and determination in your career situation. So all that you need to do to reach success, when you build it with that positive intentions you have, your dreams and goals, aspirations, when you base your work on those positive intentions, you are going to see abundance unfolding in your life, and you are going to see success, and your creativity is going to be inspired by the positive intentions and inspiration you have in your heart. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So when you have your dreams and goals that focus based on positivity in yourself, in your heart of hearts, you are going to see your work reaching success and you building a strong base for yourself in your career situation, and success taking shape in your career situation very soon, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have between worlds. So with this card, it just means that you are in a circumstance, you have to decide on certain things. You don't know which way to go or what is the future. So something is obstructing your vision, you don't know how things will go, some kind of confusion or doubts are there. So this is the time for you to see things more clearly, guys. Explore your relationship, find out more about this other person, and this is not the moment for certainty, this is the moment for curiosity. Try to understand this other person, and you will know that this situation is not going to last forever. So there are changes coming towards you, and in this relationship it is an experience helping you to know this person and know about yourself and what you like or what you dislike and what are your values. And this is a very important phase in this connection, and you should not hurry or dismiss this phase, trying to avoid this situation. You just have to be curious and see how things are unfolding today, and this may not be the right time to make any important decision, guys. If you have curiosity, you will not be disappointed. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So in your relationship, this may not be the right time to make any important decisions. You need to first understand each other, get to know each other, only then you can make a strong decision for this love, Virgos. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this first card, it is Gretel, ingenuity. So, with this card, guys, in your situation, maybe in your life, in your past, you would have felt let down by people older than you, maybe your parents or your older siblings, and you would have faced a lot of challenges in your life in your past, but you are someone who will not go easy under any difficult circumstance. So you are a fighter. Um, you show courage, strength, and determination to overcome any difficult circumstance, and you are someone who is really friendly, helpful, and you help others, you help people in your life, maybe your friends or family members, and you are a true defender of friends and family, and you work well in teams. You are a really friendly, kind, and compassionate person, quick thinking and very protective, and you are devoted to the people you love. So maybe in your life today there is a circumstance coming up that is kindling the strength and determination in your heart in the situation, and you are gearing up to face this difficult circumstance that is right in front of you. But you need not worry, guys. You are going to be successful. You are going to come out successful with people appreciating you, people loving you, and people feeling inspired to be with you and to see you. And there are people considering you as an ideal person, ideal way of living. So you are very wise, and you are a teacher, you are a wise person, and you inspire others, and you have clear thinking, clarity, and you know what should be done. But maybe for some reason you are waiting or you are analyzing your situation, but you need not worry, guys. You are going to come out successfully out of this difficult situation you are facing today, guys, and people will come to help you, and they love to help you. That is what I see with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, be discerning. So this angel card, it just means that in our life we are simply caught up. We just forget what we like, and we just go with the crowd sometimes, guys. But what makes us unique in our life is the choices that we make along the way in our life, and each action we take up. So making that clear choices based on our likes and dislikes will help us align to the type of life we want to live. So maybe if we are interested in some kind of creative art, if we want to take up some kind of a profession based on creative art, we have to gear up for that. So something which we love to do, something which we are really passionate about. So we need to understand that what is important in life for us, what really matters the most for us, not only in the bigger things but even in the smaller choices that we make. And before making choices, we need to ask ourselves where we stand in that particular circumstance and what is important to us. And we should not confuse ourselves by discerning. It does not mean that we have to be judgmental. We should not confuse ourselves. We must be careful. And this angel card is an angel card of wisdom, and it helps us to understand the real truth from perceived truth in our circumstance, and the genuine from the superficial. So you are going to see clarity. Maybe you are looking for clarity in your circumstance and you don't know what is the truth, and today you will get to know the truth behind what you see. So the truth inside the circumstance, that is going to come towards you. You are going to learn about it, and you will be guided towards wisdom in your circumstance, and you will be filled with confidence. So that is what I see with this card, guys, this angel guidance card. So that is the reading for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.